Hi, my name is Lydia Thompson. I am a New York State College of Ceramics alumni. I received my MFA in ceramics in 1985. I'm here at Alfred University. I'm in the summer program. I received the 141 Artist in Residency Award from Ann Currier. She was a professor of mine when I was at Alfred back in 1983-85. I'm here this summer because I want to continue my exploration of making work. Right now, I'm pretty excited about how I can merge or create these hybrid forms that combine the mound series and the figurative work together and to build larger and to not always rely on something that I've done before, but giving something that I've done before a new life. And having this energy around me has really expanded the way I think about this body of work. Building on a series that I've already created, the Mound series, actually combining the Mound series with the Heddle Pulley, which is a series of figures that I've been working on throughout the years. This experience here at Alfred this summer has given me a great opportunity to build larger than I normally would in my studio back home, and also do atmospheric firings. It's really great to meet and work with some of the artists who are coming from all around the country, as well as the faculty here at Alfred University, Matt Keller, as well as the graduate students. They have been extremely helpful, very knowledgeable. And the facilities here have expanded. They were wonderful when I went to school back in 1983, but they are just extraordinary. And so I appreciate working in such a specialized space in ceramics fabrication. What I found when I came back here, and I've been here for going on my third week, is the incredible graduate students that are here helping us in the studios this summer. They are fantastic. These are brilliant students who have incredible technology skills with glazes, firing kilns, and they're extremely helpful. So even though I know I'm I guess you would say, emerging mid-career ceramic artist, they make me feel like I'm a piece of gold, and I really appreciate that.